In this guide, I will show you how to fix app updates on Google Play stuck on pending. 1. Clear the Google Play cache. Slide down your screen from the top and tap on the gear icon. Alternatively, just long-click on the Play Store app to open the Info tab. Next, tap on Storage and Cache, and select Clear Cache to clear the Google Play's cache, because usually this problem is a space problem on your phone. 2. Adjust the update queue. Launch the Play Store app on your device and tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. Next, choose Manage Apps and Device. Find the Updating Apps section and tap on See Details. And next, tap on the X button next to any apps you need to cancel. Alternatively, tap Cancel All to stop all pending updates at once. And now, you can try downloading the specific app that was stuck on pending. Sometimes you need to restart your device or check your internet connection, update Google Play Store application, and check for system updates. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.